How bad is your digestion? If you're like most people, chances are it could be better. But the good news is that fixing digestion problems isn't rocket science. In this video, we'll cover 7 days of tips to go from bloating, irregular bowels, or acid reflux to perfect digestion. And because no one has time to binge watch 7 videos, we'll cover all 7 days of tips in just 11 minutes. Let's start with common digestion problems. The root causes are poor diet, stress, dehydration, lack of fiber, and gut bacteria imbalance. Now let's talk immediate relief strategies. Our first 2 tips will help you get fast relief in minutes. First, 5-minute belly massage. Massaging your stomach helps to relax the abdominal muscles and promote digestion. Massage in a clockwise motion as that stimulates the downward flow of food through your digestive system. Here's how it's done. Lie on your back. Place both hands on your stomach and gently move in a circular motion for 5 minutes. You can do this anytime, anywhere. Second, ginger lemon tea. This is my go-to recommendation for instant bloating relief. Ginger aids digestion and reduces inflammation in the gut. Lemon provides vitamin C and helps the body absorb iron from plant-based foods. Let me show you how to make this tea. Boil 1 cup water, add 1 teaspoon ginger powder or 2 ginger slices, and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Strain the mixture, add a squeeze of lemon juice, and sip slowly. Okay, now that we have discussed quick fixes, let's talk about quick yoga poses. These 2 yoga poses take less than 30 seconds each. Child's pose. Kneel on all fours. Bring your big toes together and sit back on your heels. Relax your body. Drop your head down and breathe deeply for 15 counts. Wind-relieving pose. Sit with your legs crossed. Place 1 hand on each knee and slowly lift both legs off the ground. Use your abdominal muscles to pull your legs towards your chest and hold for 15 counts. Slowly lower your legs and repeat with the other side. Now let's dive into dietary fixes. Our next 5 tips will focus on what to eat and what to avoid. Tip number 3. Eat more fiber. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that the body cannot digest, but it is essential for maintaining good digestive health. It keeps things moving smoothly through your gut. Aim for at least 25 to 30 grams of fiber per day. What foods are high in fiber? Oats, apples, chia seeds, sweet potatoes, and broccoli. Tip number 4. Eat more fermented foods. Fermented foods contain beneficial bacteria that support gut health. These are probiotics. Probiotics are live microorganisms that, when consumed in adequate amounts, can confer a health benefit on the host. Common probiotic foods include yogurt, kimchi, and kefir. Tip number 5. Eat more hydrating foods. Water is the best way to stay hydrated, but sometimes you need a little flavor. Cucumber and watermelon are excellent choices because they have a high water content and are low in calories. They not only keep you hydrated, but also aid in digestion and prevent constipation. Tip number 6 is to avoid processed sugars. Added sugars, particularly in processed foods and drinks, can cause a spike in blood sugar levels, leading to inflammation in the gut and digestive discomfort. Examples of hidden sugars include high fructose corn syrup, cane sugar, and brown sugar. So read labels and choose products with no added sugars. Tip number 7 is to avoid fried foods. Fried foods are hard to digest. They can slow down the digestive process and cause discomfort. Instead, opt for baked or grilled options. Tip number 8 is to avoid excess dairy. Lactose. The sugar found in dairy products can cause digestive issues if you have a lactose intolerance. This means your body has difficulty digesting lactose due to a deficiency of the enzyme needed to break it down. Tip number 9 is to avoid carbonated drinks. Carbonated drinks can introduce air into your stomach, leading to bloating and discomfort. Also, chewing gum can cause you to swallow air, which can lead to bloating. So we have covered what to do and what not to do when it comes to food. Now let's talk about daily habits that you should adopt for long-term repair of your digestion. Tips 10, 11, and 12 focus on easy habits that make a big difference. Tip number 10. Drink warm water with lemon every morning. Starting your day with a glass of warm water helps to stimulate the digestive system and promotes bowel movements. Lemon adds an extra boost by providing vitamin C, which aids in digestion, and helps the body absorb iron from plant-based foods. Tip number 11. Chew food 20 to 30 times per bite. This may sound like a lot, but you don't have to chew each bite individually. Just think about it. Each bite mixes with saliva and digestive juices. The more you chew, the finer the consistency, the easier it passes through your digestive tract. And remember, don't gulp down the air. Tip number 12. Eat dinner at least 3 hours before bed. Give your body enough time to digest before lying down. Late-night eating can disrupt the digestive process and lead to discomfort or acid reflux. Now let's discuss a few natural remedies that can aid in digestion. We'll start with a popular one, then move to something Ayurvedic. Tip 13. Try Adriene water. This water is a popular home remedy for instant gas relief. Simply boil a cup of water, add 1 teaspoon of ajwain or carom seeds, let it simmer for 10 minutes, strain and drink. For extra benefits, add a squeeze of lemon juice. Tip number 14. Try Triphala powder. In Ayurveda, Triphala is considered a must for healthy bowels. It's made from 3 fruits, amla, bibataki, and horitaki. All 3 fruits are rich in fiber and have a laxative effect, making them ideal for relieving constipation. You can use Triphala powder in various ways, such as mixing it with water or adding it to warm milk. Tip number 15. Try peppermint oil. Peppermint oil can soothe digestive discomfort and reduce symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Dilute a few drops of peppermint oil in a glass of water and drink it before meals. So far, we have talked about a variety of tips. Now let's explore how exercise can greatly benefit your digestion. Our next 2 tips will focus on the importance of physical activity. Tip 16. Go for a 15-minute walk daily. Walking is one of the best exercises for digestion. It helps stimulate bowel movement and promotes healthy blood circulation throughout the digestive tract. Tip number 17. Practice yoga for gut health. Yoga asanas or poses can work wonders on your gut health. Some great ones are twisting poses like Ardhanasana and cat-cow pose, which massages your abdominal muscles and improves blood flow to the digestive organs. We know that food and exercise play a vital role in digestion. However, there is another factor that often gets overlooked: stress. Our next tip will shed light on the connection between stress and digestion and provide a simple solution. Tip 18. Manage stress with the 2-to-1 breathing technique. Stress can wreak havoc on your gut health. The 2-to-1 breathing technique is a simple yet powerful tool to manage stress. Inhale steadily for 2 seconds, and then exhale fully for 4 seconds. By controlling your breath, you can calm your nerves and promote better digestion. All right, viewers, now that you have learned 18 tips to fix your digestion, let's look at a sample meal plan. This will help you understand how to apply these tips to your daily routine. Day 1. Breakfast. Oatmeal with flax seeds. Oatmeal is a fantastic source of fiber. Flax seeds are packed with fiber and healthy fats. Both together make a perfect combination for promoting healthy digestion. Day 2. Lunch. Quinoa with steamed vegetables. Quinoa is a complete protein source and fiber. Steamed vegetables add more fiber and nutrients. Together, they are a great choice for gut health. Day 3. Dinner lentil soup with ginger tea. Lentils are a fiber powerhouse. Ginger aids digestion. This combo is excellent for supporting a healthy digestive system. Day 4. Breakfast. Greek yogurt with fruit. Greek yogurt is a probiotic-rich dairy option. Fruit adds natural sweetness and digestive enzymes. Day 5. Lunch. Whole wheat bread with avocado. Whole wheat provides fiber. Avocado offers healthy fats and fiber. This combo supports good digestion. Day 6. Dinner. Chickpea curry with brown rice. Chickpeas are fiber-rich legumes. Brown rice offers fiber and complex carbohydrates. Day 7. Breakfast. Smoothie with banana, spinach, and almond milk. Banana, spinach, and almond milk are a nutritious blend for gut health. Day 8. Lunch. Leftover chickpea curry with brown rice. Day 9. Dinner. Vegetable stir-fry with tofu and quinoa. Day 10. Breakfast. 2 whole wheat pancakes with berries. Day 11. Lunch. Leftover vegetable stir-fry with tofu and quinoa. Day 12. Dinner. Baked salmon with roasted vegetables. Day 13. Breakfast. 2 scrambled eggs with tomatoes and whole wheat toast. Day 14, lunch, leftover baked salmon with roasted vegetables. Day 15, dinner, chicken breast with mashed sweet potato. Day 16, breakfast, cottage cheese with pineapple. Day 17, lunch, leftover chicken breast with mashed sweet potato. Day 18, dinner, meat tenderloin with green beans. When should you see a doctor for digestion problems? Look out for these red flags: blood in the stool, sudden weight loss, chronic pain, or discomfort. And now, it's time for our recap and free checklist. Your journey to perfect digestion starts with understanding and incorporating the right habits and mindset. Our guide covers everything from dietary adjustments to lifestyle changes, empowering you to take control of your gut health. Take action today and comment below your results after trying one tip from this video. Don't forget to share this video with someone who could benefit from it.